Hey everyone, this is Vivor. Today I'll show how to disable Windows 11 auto updates or updates in general. Open search type services. Find Windows Update here. There it is. Right-click Properties, disable it and hit Apply. Now open Run, type quote gpedit.msc. Press Enter. Go to Administrative Templates. Find Windows Components, then Windows Update. Open this folder. Look for Configure Automatic Updates. I'll find it, be right back. It's in the Management User Experience folder. Let's open it. Select Standard here. Click it, then hit Edit. Enable it, choose Notify before download or install, and click Apply. That's all, folks. This was Viver. Like and subscribe. Enjoy life. Good luck. See you later.